I came to Japan for this. That's so good. It hits the spot. Coffee from 7-Eleven this morning. Oh, exactly what I needed. So today we are going to the Harry Potter world. It's like this whole Harry Potter tour thing that's like super big in Tokyo right now. So we bought tickets off of Klook and we're gonna go check it out later. But we're just having a quick breakfast and we're doing laundry right now at our hotel. It's our first time doing laundry at a hotel, but because we're gone for like almost 3 weeks, we definitely need to do some laundry. But yeah, here's my egg salad sandwich. Guys, this morning we are heading to the making of Harry Potter in Tokyo. Our entrance is at 1:30, so we have about 15 minutes, but we're gonna head in right now and show you guys everything. You guys are a huge Harry Potter fan. This is a must-go attraction. Here's the menu. My boyfriend is gonna get the Gryffindor plate, and I think I'm gonna get the Slytherin plate, which is bangers and mash. Tokyo, Japan. So this morning we are at Tsujihan, another famous spot in Tokyo. They're famous for like their Kaisen dongs, and there's already a lineup. We shall see how long this will take. Let's go. everybody, so right now we are heading for dinner. We are going to the Shabu Shabu place called Nembenzo Shinjuku. I'll put the name right here so you guys can find it on Google Maps. I'll put the links down below like usual. But they have really good reviews. I think like
It's all you can eat.
like a 4-star rating and higher. So we're gonna go check it out and see how it is. Let's go. We just got to Nabezo Shabu Shabu and it's 8:15 right now. We have to wait until 9:15 to get a table. Their last call is at 10 o'clock and they close at 10:30, so it's kind of a tight timeline. We're not exactly sure if we still want to eat here, so we might go somewhere else. But we put down our name just in case, but we're probably gonna browse around and then see what other alternatives are around the area. We are in the area filled with food, so I'm not worried. So we're just gonna do some research and then I'll bring you guys along. So the plan is we're gonna wait till 8:45 to see if we get lucky with an earlier table. Up until now, we've actually been really lucky with all our dining experiences. Like for the ones that we have to line up, we've been like the first group to go in. So we're hoping that we're gonna luck out with this one as well. So we shall see. Back to our hotel and that Shabu Shabu place is so good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. We were initially told that we were gonna wait for how long?
An hour?
An hour or so, but we definitely got in like way earlier, maybe like half an hour in waiting. And then we had plenty of time to go through the buffet and also try out the meats. They also have a dessert section, a drink section, and there was just like a lot of variety. I personally really loved it, and I would highly recommend checking that place out. But we're completely beat like usual, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Make sure to subscribe and comment and like this video. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.